Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Huawei P20. So let's start with the first point. Let's go to the settings. Then let's go to the battery. This category is very nice because you have first of all the statistics, the battery usage. Here you can see which software takes how much energy. So maybe if your phone is fastly empty, you can see here which app is maybe the problem. The same thing also with the hardware. So is the screen a problem or something like this? Yeah, so this statistic is very nice, but in case you need really urgently your phone and you have just a few percent of battery, so there's ultra power saving mode at this phone. So if you enable it, to confirm it again and enable, you have completely a black screen. So you have no location access at first. This is normal because the phone wants to save energy. I think it's better you leave it like this, and then you, as you can see, the complete screen is turning into black because this saves much energy. And you have also just the most important points for the phone, so the dialer, the contacts, and as well also the text messages, and you can add some apps, maybe like the internet or WhatsApp, or one of the other apps you want to have. And maybe let's take WhatsApp. I think it should be at the end. Yeah, there it is. And now you have also WhatsApp on that phone. Okay, if you want to exit, there's this mode. If you are safe, go just on this symbol, confirm it will exit, and then you're back in the regular mode. So this very nice tool could maybe save your life one day. Okay, let me show you next also something very nice. If you want to launch the camera very quickly, if you're on standby mode, you can just double tap the volume down button. If you tap this button twice, you will have immediately a picture. It is less than a second. It was just 0.3 seconds. So nothing, and you have immediately the picture. So the phone, you don't have to press this one after, so the phone will take immediately a picture. It's a very nice tool. Okay, let me show you next how you can take a screenshot with the phone. So there's three ways normally. Let me show you the most easiest one. So it works with the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. After, you can directly share it or edit a picture. So if you want to crop something, so a very nice tool. And you can take also a video from the phone screen, so not only a picture. So you can make the screencast with the power button and the volume up button. Same thing like the screenshot, press for the same time. And if you have it for the first time, he will ask you you have to agree it first. And also the next level, you give some instructions. I did it already with my phone. He gives you a countdown, and then you record the screen here. And also the microphone is in usage, and so on. And you can stop it here on stop, or you can stop it also the same way as you started. Power button and volume up button, and the screencast has stopped. Okay, let me show you something else. So you have the opportunity with the phone to clone apps. So maybe in case you have two Facebook accounts, or you want to use two WhatsApp accounts or Instagram accounts, whatever, so you can clone the app. So Huawei has given the name App Twin to that. So let's go to the settings then go to apps and notifications, and you have to point App Twin. So these are the apps which one are supported on my phone. It is Snapchat and WhatsApp. May let us clone WhatsApp. Then you enable it, and if you go now back to your screen, so you should have next to the basic WhatsApp here on the second page, the second WhatsApp app. Okay, and for WhatsApp, maybe an information, you need to have a second mobile number to enable WhatsApp, so you cannot use the same number, of course. If you want to remove the second app, just go on the app and go on close. Leave a finger. He will ask you if you're really sure, because you will lose your data, but just for the second app, not for the first one. Confirm with OK, and the app now has disappeared, and you still have your old WhatsApp or Facebook or Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. Okay, let me show you next something, a nice tool if you want to save also a bit energy, is a schedule power on and off. For that, we have to go to the settings again and scroll down to Smart Assistants. And then we have here the last point, scheduled power on off. Let's go there. And with that tool, you can schedule the off time maybe. Okay, let's on it when the phone have to turn off. So you can set up the time when the phone has to turn off, maybe at 23 or 11 p.m. it means. And you can also set up on which days it should be. So basically, if you're working and you know always, okay, I go at 11 to bed, you can off your phone automatically with that if you set it up from Monday to Friday, or you can do it also every day or only once, or also custom for some days. Same thing also to on the phone. If you say, okay, I go to bed at 11 and I have to get up at 6 every morning, so you can also set it up here that the phone goes automatically on at 6 in the morning. You can set up also the dates, so how often the phone should repeat it, at which days. So a very nice tool to save energy. And there's also something, if you're not happy with that notch here, so you can hide it. Then go also for that to the settings, then go to display, and here's the point, notch. If you go on notch, you can have the default thing with the notch in here, or you can hide it. If you hide it, it turns all here into black. And also if the same informations are still here, it is another feeling. You don't have some people feel disturbed by the notch here. I turn it back and you can see it. Some people feel disturbed by the notch here because they're more used to a screen like this. But on the screen on the top here there's still the informations about the time, about the battery, and so on. So just choose your thing, and yeah. Okay, the next tool is a crazy one for me, but it's something nice because you can speak to your phone. So if you have lost your phone in the apartment or in your house, you cannot find it, you can call for your phone and it will give you an answer. It sounds crazy, and it is a bit like this because we have to set it up first. For that we go on Smart Assistants, on Voice Control, and this tool is named Voice Wake Up. Go Voice Wake Up, and you have to enable it first here. So for the first time you have to say, okay Amy, okay Amy, okay Amy, okay Amy. Sounds good. Confirm it. Okay, and if you say now, okay Amy, then the phone is reacting. So you can place calls. If you say okay Amy, so I have to hide the microphone. Where are you? This is what I wanted to show you, because this is something where you can find your phone. If you say, okay Amy, where are you? Okay Amy, where are you? So where it is in the house, wherever it is in the house, you can find it with that, because it will become more and more loud. I will stop it. And at the same time, you can also place calls after to say, Amy. You can say, call this and this person. You just say the name and the phone will call this person. So take care if you say, Amy. Okay, let me off it. But it's a nice tool, eh? It's, yeah. Okay, and the last point. At the end, I want to show you also the included QR code and barcode reader. So if you want to compare prices maybe, or if you want to have a look which product it is, or if you see a QR code like this, and if you want to see what is behind. So just use it for that. You go like this. And you have here now the search bar first, where you can enter keywords to have a look in your phone for contacts and messages and so on. And next to it you see an eye. Tap on that eye and you will have the QR code reader. Place it on there. And the QR code says, thank you so much for watching Phones and More. I really say thank you to you that you have watched my video until the end. Thank you so much. If you want, you can give me maybe a thumbs up or a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. May if you're interested in, if you want to have a look. It would be a pleasure. And yeah, thank you, and maybe until next time. Ciao.